How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's plan is to go to a private lake and do a little lakeside camping and hopefully some catching and cooking. Got a couple buddies with me. Victor's in the car right now, and we also have a couple other boys that are going to be meeting us down there. So tune in, hopefully catch some fish, cook it up for you guys. So the drive is about, what, 2.5 hours away to the campsite from us. We forgot a couple things, so probably gonna stop by the 7-Eleven about, I don't know, 50 miles away from there, pick up a couple things, and yeah, hopefully we get some fish. Hopefully it'll be good weather. It should be a little cold. We just had a little rainstorm come through, a little bit of wind, but should be calming down when we pull up. We're gonna have 2 full days on the water. Hopefully it should be good. One thing I forgot to mention also, I got a new kayak. So we are gonna be trying that thing out, at least new to me. I got a really good deal on it on Marketplace. I'll show you guys later, but it's a 10.5 foot pedal kayak, which you can stand up on. So I'll be really excited for that. Give you guys a rundown of the full tour when we get there and get set up. For now, got the rest of this drive. Gonna lock in, listen to music. See you guys when we get back to the campsite. We just pulled up at the 7-Eleven, and it turns out Victor forgot his sleeping bag. So luckily for us, there's a Walmart right across there in that shopping center. Do a quick stop. I think you'll probably get a quick little cheap little sleeping bag and we'll be on our way. Not too far now, so not in too much of a rush, but stop in here, probably grab a little bite to eat, maybe hit the bathroom, and we'll be on our way. Here we go. Ready to get a camp? Alright, we'll see you guys. Sheesh. Alright. Back on the road. Pulling in here. Just got to the property. I think our boys are ahead of us because we got caught up in some traffic back there. Made a wrong turn. There's the guy over there. Check that out. Can't wait to get on the water. Check that.
That's nice.
That's what's up. There they are right there. Alright, I think we're gonna stop in real quick. I think the dudes over here is gonna give us a little rundown of the property, so we'll check back in with you guys when we get to camp and set it all up. Just met up with the owner. Really cool guy. He's gonna give us a little tour of his property here, take us to his site. So we're just gonna follow him around. So on the property we got 2 ponds that we could also fish and hike to if we really wanted to, and there's also one big main lake. Whoa. Take it nice and slow.
This is sick.
This is awesome. This place is awesome right now. Check this out, guys. Wow. Whoops.
Wow. Like, how'd you find like such an awesome piece of land?
Oh, you can,
Whoa.
you can low-key polo down here if you want. Right here. How many people? Oh, man.
Check that out, guys.
There's people close. Oh, dude. That's great. Oh, this is beautiful. And those supposed to be really
This place is really cool.
supposedly what they told me, and I haven't did a depth finder.
Pulling into the campsite. So just talked to the owner. We are the only ones on his property this weekend, so around this entire lake there's a couple other spots. We might take the kayaks and do a little exploring. Maybe move a different spot to a different campsite, but this spot is beautiful. We did it, guys.
Kind of a little left, maybe, so that you're more.
I think everything's where it should be. We are gonna get my new kayak into the water. The owner left 2 to 3 kayaks on the other side of the lake, so I'm gonna paddle over there and probably grab one back, and we'll do a mission to grab the others over here instead of doing that trail that runs all the way over there. But let's get camp set up, get you guys some drone footage, and hopefully get some fish.
Lunch, bro.
Yeah, probably make some lunch too, and then get out there on the water. Slide it down. Hold it right there. Holding. Wasn't too bad. Where's the pedal set at? In the truck? Yep. It's not that bad at all. Got all the kayak stuff out. I actually brought a fire pit, but turns out they already provided one for us, so that's good. So we might end up with 2, or we might just use 1. I always have an awning out, so I'll give you guys a little rundown of what it is. It's the OVS 270-degree awning, and I'll show you guys how I set it up here real quick. It's the awning.
Oh.
It smells like fire still. That's it.
I got a knife.
Camp's basically all set up. About to take the kayak across the water and probably bring one back. Try out the pedal kayak for the first time. Should be good. Got the awning completely out. I have walls that go around this entire thing, so it'll close it in, but it's so nice out here that I don't think we're gonna need it. Maybe later tonight, but probably not. All right, let's load this up real quick. Check out the yak, guys. We've got 10.5 feet, nice wide deck. You can stand up on this thing, and it is a pedal. So that means I'll be able to use a rudder. I don't have to paddle the entire time. Really excited about this thing. Have some big plans for it. But for now, let's go get the other kayaks. Well, that wasn't bad at all. Made it to the other side. Pretty good time. A little bit of a leg workout, but oh, okay. We're just drifting a little bit here. Let's get right up on this bank. Grab this. Mission complete. Got some options. Let's see what this one's looking like. Nice little sit-in kayak. Let's see. Oops. This one's good. That one's a little bigger. I'll probably grab one of these back. We'll have another boy come and help me grab another. Probably should have brought some rope with me. I didn't bring any rope or anything to tie it with, so we are gonna try to tie the kayak to this and pull it behind us. Probably off to the side since my rudder's right there. I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. Paddle in here too. Okay. All right. So this just drops in like that. And click in there. Got her floating. I think it's gonna work. Just a little recon mission. All right. Check out camp, guys. They got the tent set up right out there. Joey's setup's right back there somewhere. Right there. We got another buddy who's gonna be staying with them in there. It's beautiful out here. First fishing mission was not a success. Did a little recon, but still trying to figure these fish out.
You can make a pizza.
We're kind of just chilling around camp. He's got a little
Made some dough.
something going on here. We're gonna try something.
Or like,
He's got
literally anywhere
the
else.
Tito's out.
Fingertips.
Got a beer. Checking with you guys in a little bit. Joey was just throwing around here.
You know, just set up some weights and
First fish of the trip. Nice little largie on a swim bait. Toss her back in.
Oh.
Give her a kiss. I think the fish might be biting, huh? Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
they're biting like crazy right now.
They're probably all cruising the shallows right now because the sun's going down. Probably hungry. See if we can't get anything out here. Oh!
Yeah, dude, they're fucking on it today.
Oh, that's a fish.
Let's go!
It came off.
No, dude.
That's crazy. That's crazy. On? Out there? No way.
That might be a better one.
Oh no! Up on the bank.
Damn!
Come on, fish. On.
Oh, I was on, dude.
Almost doubled up.
Go.
First bass of the trip for me. Little dinker.
Third one for me. No!
Oh, Joey!
No!
catching them right here.
There you go. First little fish of the trip, guys. Nice little pretty bass.
Bye, buddy.
All right, see you guys later.
Oh, there we go. Fish on. What do we got? Feels pretty good. Ooh, nice largie. Oh my gosh. That's every bit of a 3-4 pounder, guys. Wow, beautiful fish. Let it go. Woo. Ready to take off. Let's go. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Good first night. Oh, we gotta actually cheers. Yeah. Early morning tomorrow. Let's get it. There's our boy pulling in. So, our boy Charlie just pulled up. Last buddy here at the campfire. Charlie's chefing it up over here. Smells amazing. Got himself a little spread. Quesadillas going. These guys have been trying to cook over here for like an hour, but this is what they came up with. I think it'll be good. You guys putting on steaks or what's up?
I'm about to put my steak on.
All right. I see you seasoning the steaks up. Oh yeah.
I'm just saying I like touch raw meat and then I also.
Let's drop her in. Render the fat. Ooh.
Should I put both in?
Yeah, go for it.
Just sit in.
Oh.
It got too hot.
Oh no. Oh no.
That was yours, Vic.
That was gonna be Vic's, I guess. Guys, you already know, Chef Joey's back at it.
Back at it.
Nice steak on the griddle.
I didn't feel like cooking it on the fire.
I mean, it's preoccupied a little bit.
More consistent.
You're right.
No.
You're right. I mean, that looks delicious, if I may say so.
Just got on a couple minutes ago, but it'll be good for sure.
Oh my gosh. Woo! I'm throwing potatoes in.
Jason, I dropped mine in the fire.
Did you actually?
Yeah, I dropped it right here. I think it's a little too hot, but with these.
Ooh, Joey's steak is looking
Not too bad.
almost perfect,
Not
I'd
too
say.
bad.
Oh my goodness, you did a good job on that. Let's see.
Alright,
Let's
cut off
see.
some strips.
We'll see the middle. Woo! That's gonna be delish. Let's see. Oh, he's going in. Ooh. Ooh. That's a bite. It's a man bite.
Look over there. We're gonna try and make some flatbreads. Some honey butter.
Doing the honey butter and warm bread.
the
Shout out
skillet.
Outdoor Boys. Let's see how it goes.
It's crazy that Mick Jagger's still like Led Zeppelin in the 70s.
Yeah.
And I can't remember what its nickname was, but it was known for.
Whoa.
Biscuits, bro.
It looks like chicken.
That's kind of.
Hold on, I was like, just take it. I don't care. I'm looking over here. It's my first time I've ever had blood drawn. I did it. I looked. I found my.
That looks insane.
Can you scrape this bag in?
I could do it.
All right, take a bite out of that, bro.
Yeah, low key, bro.
Let the viewers know how the honey butter bread tastes.
Honey butter biscuit, baby.
Crazy, dude.
Hopefully it's not doughy on the inside.
No, that's great.
How is it?
Let's go.
What's your buzz?
Boys do arrow.
Look at that drizzle, baby. Oh my god.
All right, let's try this warm honey butter bread.
Talk to like airport, they're like,
Take that.
announce your position, do what you want to do.
First bite, here we go. Oh gosh.
Get way left out. But I was like,
Dude, it's so good.
I was like, 10 mile
That's-
final,
You ever had like a Texas Roadhouse like bread roll?
Dude,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
That's actually insane. Yo, thanks for making these, dude. Get a bite of that.
Oh my god, dude.
It's actually like
I probably
a
should've
warm
turned over
piece
to
of like
school. I
bread.
turned left
with
instead,
sweetness.
so I was like, but I definitely could have turned over.
Round 2,
Good movie, right?
came up with a new plan, and look at that.
This
How do you feel?
Yeah, this shit's gonna be good.
You happy about that?
We're
I'm
gonna
pretty
slice
happy
it
with
up
that.
straight, put some butter on it.
Ooh.
Texas Roadhouse on the house.
It actually looks really good. Ooh. Wow. Oh, it's steaming still.
A little brown on the bottom though.
Yeah, you can scrape it all.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Smear it. Rating out of 10. Out of 10. What do you got? What do you got?
10 million, bro.
I think that's the end for the first night here by the lake. The crappie fishing wasn't really too successful today. Tried to go out there and get some, but no luck. But got the full day tomorrow to try to get some crappie still for the catch and cook. But everybody ended up catching some bass, so that was pretty cool. Got a pretty nice one when I pedaled out there myself, but besides that, not much action. So I think we're gonna go to bed, try to get up early, and try to make it a mission to fish tomorrow. Probably just gonna call it a night. Really tired. Wake up tomorrow morning, and hopefully we'll get on some good fish. See ya. Morning. Which one is this? Oh, the chocolate bread.
Goopy, bro.
Wow. How's it?
Give us a taste review.
I don't know any French. I would say something French.
Alright. The GoPro died. I was gonna go out here and see if I can't throw a couple dangles, but look what we finally got. A nice crappie. First crappie going on the stringer. See if you can't get any more. Oop. Made a move from across the lake. I was over there. Decided to hit these trees again. All these stumps. I think we're gonna keep this guy. He's a really good sized bluegill right here. I think it's a pumpkin seed. Put him on the stringer. Okay. Oh! Took a break from fishing. The wind picked up. Put some of the walls up on the awning. And I think it's supposed to keep blowing until about 4 or 5. So we're gonna retie, make some bacon cheeseburgers, and then get back out there when the wind stops. Bacon on the grill. Uh-oh. Lay it down nice and gentle. One. Uh-oh. Right there. Right there. You don't need a blade? You sure? Ooh, that one's a little toasty.
Man, they're making it all present.
Check that. First bite, Joey. Run it.
Bite? Oh.
Yep. Yeah, let me know how it is. Nice toasty bun.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You already know what you gotta give me. Alright, y'all. Food is served.
These guys to go.
I'm tired.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let's try this burger. Quick little snack.
We're going on a little hike. This peninsula over here. Do some fishing. Nah, there's a little land bridge. No, I'm just mean like in general. Like you saw the peninsula.
Oh yeah.
How open it is.
Huh?
There's so much space.
Yeah.
Here, walk in. You can go up. Yeah. Ah, dude, it's super murky.
Oh, vegan! That's a good fish! That's a good fish, dude. Bing! Let's go! Catching a little fish. Got a nice size white crappie for the catch and cook. We're gonna let this guy go. Later, buddy. Nice surprise. Ryan's having a little issue. Caught myself a little pike. Big ol' head on this guy. Let's see if we can get it released. There you go, buddy. Yo!
Let's go.
Let's go, first bass. Everybody's a little rested up. Wind's died down a bit. Caught a little bit on the foot mission over there, but so far we've only got one black crappie, one white crappie, and a decent sized pumpkin seed. So head on the axe again. Let's see if we can get a couple more. Crappie? Joey made a move across the lake and he got another crappie for the board. So we're gonna head over there right now. Put him on the stringer. Let's see what we got. Woo! I think that's a black crappie, I'm pretty sure. Nice dude. Oh, let's put him on the stringer. I grab him.
Been on the board.
Well, for crappie. For the food. All right, guys. Stringer is looking pretty good. There we go, guys. There's a fish. Oh, that's another largie. Come here, buddy. Pretty little largie. Choke the swim bait. Yep. Nice. Get a little release on this guy. Later, bud. There we go. Let's go! Another baby pike. Pretty fish at sunset. There, bud. Well, guys, that mission was not very successful, aside for that one pike, or pickerel. Frankly, I'm not too sure. Never fished for them, never caught them before until this trip. So if you guys know what they are, let me know. But we do have a couple of crappie to cook up. So let's get back. Let's do that. All right, guys, let's grab these fish. All right. Start filleting these crappie. And I think we might do this guy whole. Take the head off, take the guts out. Just do it whole. Start with this guy right here. All right. Start from the back of the fin. Nice cut right there. You kind of just want to start it a little bit. Kind of just slowly work your way. You feel the knife ticking on the bone, off the bones.
Specialty. Are these all the same?
This we used there.
Yeah, okay. They're pretty
The rest are all
cool looking.
like spotted. You know? Yeah, they look really cool. So when you skin these, you want to get your knife flat. You can pull the skin or your knife at a downward angle. There should be no meat on that.
Good amount of meat. You mean no bones on that?
You put it in the...
There's no bones on there. Yeah.
I've been motion like
Skin while your knife's at a downward angle. I would put a hole in it. Couple nice fillets. Clean them up and scaled and gutted. Took the head off of the bluegill. Get ready to fry. I believe in you.
I used to wrap cars. He used to live in Louisiana.
Thank you. That should be plenty. It's like wax. Now for this guy, got some Slap Your Mama in here. Actually,
Burn up the fajitas, chicken fajitas.
ooh, all right.
A little fajita medley going on.
Okay. I think it was almost hot enough. All right, I think it's ready to drop in some oil. All right, let's go in with these. There we go. It's not too bad.
I already did 100, so. Good, sorry about that.
All right, let me see that plate. Oh, it's falling apart.
I want it to fizzle.
Woo!
Do you want to heat up the tortillas on this somehow?
We could probably. Batch number 2. Looking pretty good. In goes this bluegill. This is what it came to. We've got bluegill, crappie, chicken fajita tacos.
Hell yeah.
How we feeling about
For
this?
sure.
I'm hungry.
Joey's cooking up a steak over here. I think I'm ready to try this crappie out. I've actually never had this.
Are you just gonna bite out of it?
You want to squirt some tartar right here? Just,
Oh yeah.
Oh, for sure.
woo! All right, guys.
Dip in, bro.
Let's try a little bit of this crappie. First bite, just a little bit.
It's like a McDonald's fish stick. I'm taking it. But eat it, bro. I'm taking it.
Whoa, crappie's good eating. Confirmed. Grab one of these tortillas. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
Mmm. We're gonna crush
Next
this.
time we have to cook, catch the chicken.
You guys want to see that? Let us know. None of that food lasted long at all, but we're just gonna try bluegill for the first time.
Let's try it.
What do you think?
That's really good.
Yeah, surprisingly, right?
It's not fishy. I really like the texture. It's soft.
It's very flaky. I would eat that again.
Where's the chocolate at? Ah, it's so hot. I can't get it.
I see it in there.
Chocolate is
You
in
got the
there.
only part without chocolate. Oh, here we go. Ooh. You gonna put honey bun on that?
I might, dude.
He's got the
Double wham.
spread going here. Where's that honey at? Right here.
I need to figure out a place. Can you put
Let's give this a go.
fucking stick this in there? That can be fucking wings.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's Mars right
That's so good. It's so good. That's so good. Oh.
Oh
my gosh. That's gonna be so messy.
I know.
Dude, that looks so good.
It looks really good.
Tell the people how it tastes. Give them a review.
1,000 views.
Yeah?
Oh, I forgot
This is so tempting.
there was almonds in that piece of chocolate too.
Oh gosh. Alright.
Let me get the itty bitty little one.
Check that.
I'll take the plate.
Careful with the knife.
Holy.
Dude. Why is that so good? Oh my gosh.
Joey, can you check what style that is?
I think that'll be it for tonight. All the boys are tired. They're all in bed. Did a little bit of cleaning. Spent a lot of hours on the water today. The kayak was great. I broke one of the legs on the prop, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed. But besides that, it's awesome. I can stand up on it. I can fish on it. Having a pedal kayak is a lot more convenient also when you're fishing, so there's also that. But I think we had an epic day. Everybody caught fish. All the boys caught a bunch of bass. We caught a couple of those, whether they were pike or pickerel, I'm still not really sure. But got a couple of those and finished the day off with 3 decent-sized black crappie. And still got the catch and cook for you guys. So I'd say that was a success. We got a lot of cleaning and packing up to do in the morning, so probably call it good night here. See you guys in the morning. Check it out, guys. That is a big breakfast spread.
Boys are cleaning up out there. Still got a nice view. There's a little bit of All right, boys. Wants the first plate?
Rub.
There you
Oh,
go.
man. Holy
You and Victor
shit.
share that. Enjoying the food by the fire. How is it? Looks good.
Bust down.
I don't know if he did. And that's like
Camp's all packed up. All the boys are ready to go. Kayaks on the top of the truck. Ready to head out of here. You guys have a good time? Of course. Back?
Great, man.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, Charlie. Hope you drive safe. Last view of the lake. You guys made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And let us know what we should do next.
You heard them. Let us know in the comments.